Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Trapdoor Snail Pet from Roblox Adopt. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing a curve up to the left, and then back down like this. This will be the shape of the head. Now from the top line, let's draw a curve down towards the right. Now from the bottom, let's curve it over to meet the other line. Now let's move inside and draw the eyes. Inside here, towards the right, let's draw a circle. And then let's color it in black. And then for the left eye, let's draw a curve on the left side of the head here. And color this eye in black as well. Next, let's draw the antenna at the top of the head. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and then angle it over. And the same thing underneath, but curve it and close it off. Next, move inside above the right eye and let's draw a curve here. From the left side of this line, let's continue it up, curving it back down to the other side like this. And next, let's erase that headline inside. Now let's add the shell. From the top of this antenna, let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and then angle it down. And then from the end, let's draw an angle down like this. Another angle. Then angle it down, down and in, and then one more in to close it off. Now let's hop up to the top and let's draw another angle here. And again, let's close it off by drawing angles around like this. And that's it for this cute snail pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!